everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to fix US Bank application crashing on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If the US Bank application is crashing on your device, then here are several steps you can take to try and fix the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. Sometimes applications crash can occur due to the compatibility issue with your outdated operating system versions. So tap Open the Settings app from your Android device, and from the Settings menu scroll down and click on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install option at the top, and this will then start for a software update check. If there is a latest version of software update available in the page, you can schedule your software update or update your device's software right away. Once your device's software is up to date, you can then get back and open the US Bank mobile banking application to see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing you can do is to restart the application. Simply tap on the three lines at the bottom left corner and push off your application card upwards. Once you do that, this will now force close your US Bank mobile application. Once it is done, you can get back to your app drawer and open the US Bank application once again. Once you give it a quick restart, this might resolve temporary glitches and issues for the app. The next thing you can do is to check for available updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of the US Bank application installed on your device. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for US Bank, which will then show you necessary update about the app if it is available or not. Once you find the latest update for the application, you can tap on the update button to download and install the necessary updates for the app. If the problem still continues even after installing the latest version of US mobile banking app, the next thing you can do is to simply reinstall the application. Spot your US Bank mobile application from the app drawer and hold the app for quite some time. In the pop-up, tap on Uninstall and tap on OK. Wait until your application gets uninstalled. Once it is, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app again. Once you download the US Bank mobile banking application again, launch it open to see if that fixes your issue. So those were some of the troubleshooting steps you could take if you're having trouble with US mobile banking application crashing on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.